text recipe.
Okay, good. Give applause to Annie. Nice. And next question. Could you give me some examples of procedure tasks that you have learned? You can please.
How to make orange juice and how to make red wine.
Yes, give applause to you. Everyone, please look at the poster. Yeah. My question is, could you tell me what kind of procedure task is it? Yes, Dina, please.
Recipe.
Yes, it's a recipe. And what is the goal of the task?
Make red rice.
So give applause to Dina. Isma, could you please stand up? Okay, can you see this poster?
Yes,
Okay. What is the goal of this poster?
cara membuat mie goreng.
In English?
How to make mie goreng.
Okay, give applause to Isma. Nice. Yeah. Last meeting we have learned about recipe. Yeah, and then today you are going to study about procedure task manual. Everyone repeat after me. Procedure task. Procedure task. Manual. Manual. Okay, class. So here are our learning objectives for today's material.
Peserta didik dapat menceritakan kembali teks prosedur manual berdasarkan video.
The first one that we should know is what is manual. Yeah? Manual task is provides a series of steps in sentences that explain the readers how to do something while allowing them to reach the outcome successfully. Yeah? Is there any question?
No need.
Okay, so let's continue. How about the social function? Who can read? Yes, Aditya, please.
To describe how something is done in sequence step.
Okay, good. Okay, so how about the generic structure? Yeah? How many generic structure? Anyone? Yes. Raka, please. How many?
3 piece.
Okay, could you please mention what are they?
Door, material, stand.
Okay, good. Is there any difference with the previous generic structure? Yes, Warni.
Yes, Miss. Sebelumnya menggunakan ingredients, kali ini menggunakan material.
Okay, this is Warni. Okay, let's continue. How about the language features of manual? Okay, so first about conjunctions. Yeah, what is conjunction?
Kata penunggu.
Okay. And then what are the examples of conjunctions? Anyone? Yes. Judy, please.
Yes, miss. Before you. Wait, then after.
Last for effort of time. Yes, Mama, please.
For instead, for 5 minutes into a whole.
Okay, give a class. Okay, class. So for the next activity, I would like to divide you to work in groups. Okay, so please think about your favorite team of FIFA World Cup. Okay, are you ready? Ready. So we have Brazil, Portugal, and now I have several alphabet. Yeah, so I will pass to each group. So this is for Brazil, for Marcelo. This is for Cristiano Ronaldo's sons and daughters, and for Belanda. Work in group and then watch the video in a puzzle and answer the questions follow. Please take note every important answer. Okay? Okay, have you finished? Let's discuss your answer. For question number 1, who wants to answer? Yes, Belanda group, please.
How to remove marker mark from what?
Okay, do you agree with Belanda's group answer? Okay, good. Give applause to Belanda's group. Yeah, how about number 2? Yes, Portugal group, please.
Vinegar and a pinch of corn.
Okay, a vinegar and also a piece of corn. Give applause to Portugal. How many correct answer that you got? Brazil? Okay, good. Portugal? activity. What will you going to do in the next activity? Yes, Farel, please.
Yes, Miss. Retell.
Okay, so on the previous video that we have watched, you are going to retell it by using your own words. Is it clear? Yes! The first one who is going to retell the video is... Okay, Siska.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Siska Makassar. I'm from Belanda. Belanda. How to remove button mask from wall. The materials are navel and siaga as well. The step are parts of navel involved. So I smash the floor in vinegar. We install from wall. Thank you.
Portugal. Okay.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
My name is Ina Buton. I'm from Portugal. Portugal. How to remove button mark from wall? The material are vinegar and a piece of coal. Thank you.
Okay, give applause for a wonderful presentation from Siska and Nina. Nice job. I would like to ask Ujan, how about Siska and Nina's performance?
Good, Miss.
Okay, good. Yeah, so I hope that all of you also can retell the video by using your own words next time. Okay, so for the next activity, please rearrange the steps of how to make a paper airplane into a good order. Okay, so there are some pictures in this envelope about how to make a paper airplane. Do you know how to make it?
Yes,
So I'll give you around 5 minutes to do it. Okay? So 5 minutes starts now. Okay, have you finished? Okay, so now let's discuss your answer together. Yeah? Yes, Belanda good friends to present in front of the class. Give applause to Belanda.
from Belanda Group. Page star when irregular, page rectangle.
Okay, so this is the airplane from Belanda Group. Give applause to the airplane. I would like to invite each representative of the group. Please come. Okay, are you ready? Untuk yang kalah dan bisa manisnya. Ini adalah tongue twister.
Blooper, blooper, blooper.
Okay, nice. Give applause. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice. Oh, any volunteer? Yes, Aditya. Okay, good job. Nice. High five. Well done. For the next activity, a topic that you have made before from the previous meeting about the President Text Manual. Ya, semuanya sudah siapkan topik yang kemarin Miss Dewi suruh bawa untuk President Text Manual hari ini. Okay, so choose a topic and then after that create a simple President Text Manual in Canva type poster. I choose this template. So I'll choose Canva logo and here there are some. Yeah, nah this one Canva logo. Okay, and then you just click and your Canva logo is in your poster. Any question?
Give it to me like.
from Kim.
Adalah dan menggunakan dari komputer.
My name is Lisma. I'm from Brazil group. My question is, what is the material? Thank you. Thank you, Lisma, for your question. Of course, it is computer or laptop.
Okay, give applause to Portugal group. Yeah. For the content, for the vocabulary choice, I like it. This is a good one. And also for the design, yeah, I like the design. Give applause to Portugal group. Nice. For the homework, yeah, please upload your design that you have presented to your Facebook account. Yeah, is it clear? And don't forget to tag me so I can see your homework. Yeah. So next is our summary for today's material. Yeah. So for the summary, we start from the definition of the manual text. Yeah. It is about a series of steps in sequence that explain the readers of how to make or how to do something. A generic structure. Yes, Fauzan.
Go. Material. Stay.
Conjunction relative adverb of time.
Okay, so far any question? Okay, so that's all of our learning today, and then for the next is our reflection. Thank you very much for your participation. Don't forget your homework. Don't forget to study. And before we end, I would like to invite Sister